cooking is pretty hard for me. Like very basic things I can manage, like I don't know, grilling a sausage. Like that's a concept that I can wrap my head around. I've got this meat, and 20 minutes from now it's gonna not be raw anymore, and then I'm gonna put it in my mouth. So what are some things that I could accompany it with that would make that final process nicer? And if I get lost on the way to not being raw anymore, I have the tools to ascertain whether or not the center of the meat is raw or not. But like anything above that, like when I think about a blueberry muffin, there's there's a noise that happens in my brain. It's like a klaxon or someone just maniacally screaming in terror, and it gets louder and louder the more I think about, what the steps involved in making that muffin were, or if my wife wants me to help her bake, that sound in my brain, it just turns the whole world into noise, and I just can't handle it. And I told my wife about this, and she said, "You know what? That's the exact experience I have whenever I'm driving. It's just like I'm trying not to swerve into oncoming traffic, just thinking, what would happen if I did this?" And I don't let her drive anymore. And she doesn't ask me to bake as much anymore. That was a good productive conversation that we had.